This is going to be a video how to draw the llama from the video game Fortnite. Alright, so we're going to hold our paper vertical. And in the middle, the first shape that we're going to do, the first line we're going to do up here at top, you're going to draw a diagonal line going down. And then a diagonal line going the other direction. Okay, short line straight down. Sideways letter V. Straight down again. Okay, diagonal, and then we're going to go across and connect. Okay, that's the first shape that we're going to do. Alright, then for the ear, we're going to make a diagonal line going up and then out, up, short line, long line, and then connect. Okay, please pause the video if I'm going too long, if I'm going too fast. Next shape that we're going to do, you're going to make a slight curve. You're going to go in a little bit, curve and stop. Then you're going to go out, down. Okay. Now here, you're going to put your pencil back here where it connects, and you're going to make a curve going out and in. And make sure you stop about the same distance as this line here. Okay, so they're kind of even. Now you're going to go straight across and connect. Alright, next shape that we're going to do, we're going to make an oval, the eye, and then inside the oval, small circle. Next to the mouth, small circle, straight line going up. Pick up your pencil and go to the other side of the circle, straight line going down, so they should be kind of straight across like that. Okay, then another skinny line straight down here, and then straight across. Alright, next line, this is little teeth, short skinny line there, and then go across. Okay, next shape that we're going to do, put your pencil right here on its back and go straight down. And don't go all the way to the end. You stop, and then you're going to do a parallel line. Okay? And go across and connect. Alright, next shape, upside down U. Then another small upside down U. Okay? Then in the middle of this U, go across and go up, which is parallel to this line. Same on this side, go across. Up. Make sure you pause the video if I'm going too fast, and make sure you're drawing light, so that way if you make a mistake the lines go away. So barely touch your paper when you're drawing. Okay, small square here, small square here, connect. And then we're going to do a little arrow on the inside. So do an upside down V, in, straight down, and across. Alright, next shape that we are going to do is feet, is legs. So you're going to do a diagonal line from this corner, go out to the left, parallel diagonal line, okay, and then over here, diagonal line going to the right, parallel line diagonal to the right, and then you connect, okay, a letter U, a letter U, and then now his tail. So this is going to be zigzag lines. So you're just going to make whatever shapes you want, but I'm going to start going out first, and I'm going to go out and make diagonals. So I'm just going to make some long and short diagonal lines, but then you're going to do parallel lines of the same direction that you did the first line. So I'm going to go out like that, across, down. So I'm doing the same direction but parallel to it, and then I'll connect it. Okay, so you do that however direction you want. And then I'm going to do two more, but I'm going to go across. So like for example, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to stop at the first one and go to the other side. And then go down. Alright, so you don't want to go across it. You pick up your pencil and go to the other side. Okay, and then you do parallel. So you're making two strings for his tail, and I'm going to do a third one just wherever you want to go. And you're going to make lines, but don't go across them. Okay, so that's its tail. And then the last detail that we're going to do is inside. They're going to be letter U's, but like for example, I'm going to start here and I'm going to go up like a letter U. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 or 4 of them across. And I'll show you what to do. So you go across and do the first row. The second row, you're going to go out and you're going to connect in the middle of that U. Okay, and you go all the way across and you start doing that. Okay, and then you go all the way down. And try to make them the same size. But I'm going out, up, in the middle of that U. Out, up. Okay, and you do that all the way across. Now I'm going to go fast, but you pause the video. And I'm going to go all the way down. And I'm going to do it on this side too. So I'm going to go across the first row and then connect inside the middle of that U. It doesn't have to be perfect either. Just go all the way across. And you fill up the inside of the llama with these letter U's. Try to make them the same shape. Now down here, you're going to go all the way across. Just like that. Okay, and so like I said, try to make them the same size. Go all the way across, and then the last step, to make it look like it's sticking out on the other side, I'm going to make a stick going out, diagonal line, and in. Out, in. Alright, just one row of that. And that is going to be your llama. You go ahead and get your color pencils and your crayons. Or your crayons. Color them whichever color you want. Use pastel colors. That's what I use. Lots of pastels, pinks, purples, and turquoise. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more videos.